Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about how can we change a name password lock in our Tecno phone. Guys, you have your name password lock and once you want to change this password, so friend, how can you change? Today I will show you guys how to change name password lock guys. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to change your name password lock. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys security setting guys, tap here guys, again scroll guys, you can see screen lock setting guys, tap here. So enter your password and first click on this again password. Next guys, next password guys, I will change into my friend name Ravi. So as you can change according to yourself, but guys be careful here guys, don't do any mistake. If you do any mistake guys, you will have to reset your phone guys. So friends, you can see guys, we have this new name password log, so I will enter it to unlock my phone. So like that guys, you can change your name password log. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye guys.